Hello guys, it's me, Biden, and, well, I was gonna do a video of the tornadoes of March 25th, 2015, but I completely spaced out on that, but, I will be clicking on this video, and, here we go. If you'll let me play it.
Tornado. 527.
Violent weather strikes the southern plains, ending what had been more than a month without tornadoes. Twister struck the Tulsa area during the evening rush hour on Wednesday. At least one person was killed, more than a dozen hurt in the town of Sand Springs, where a possible tornado demolished a mobile home park. Some residents had to evacuate a gymnastics building. Close to Oklahoma City, a small tornado hit Moore, the town devastated by a massive twister 2 years ago. It damaged buildings and tore off roofs. The storm also knocked over a big rig and flipped a pickup truck on Interstate 35.
I'm very fortunate. I mean, the truck took care of me. Side airbags went off. OnStar called me. I hung upside down until somebody got here and they asked me if I could press the button, and it dropped me then.
Tens of thousands of power outages are reported across Oklahoma. Tornadoes were also reported in northwest Arkansas, but no major damage is reported there. Sandy Kozel, The Associated Press.
Introducing the City Double Cash Card. It's cashback inside of cashback.
The tornado that hit Sand Springs, Oklahoma, believed to be an EF2 tornado. At this time, it is unknown what the strength of the tornado that hit Moore, Oklahoma. I'm assuming it's probably an EF1. Give me a second, I'm trying to bring up the storm damage in Moore. Let's scroll down if well, let's hope that this video would be playing for us. I don't know if it would, but there we go. Let's hope this video will play.
Jergens Natural Glow. Moisturize for natural
We can just skip that. I freaking hate advertisements. But anyway, if you want to see more videos like this, concerning the March 25th tornadoes, just comment down below and I'll be more than happy to make another video like this and I'll keep you guys updated.